But fires from the top of the circle comes up short of the long rebound, tracking down by Ato. Katigaron is patented shot does not connect. Didn't connect from the mid-range area. Another opportunity here for the Crusaders team. Pasar rebounding backward sideline. Pass to his backward at the Litas. Del Hero versus Naisho. What a big defensive stop for Valiente. And then the complete pass of the Wanderers. Valiente. Ball down at
Sino ka-shoot? Anak ni ma'am. Si Kambal.
The eyes, the nice ball game. Aspido, the first one as well. Litas, pumping outside. Dribble drive, dribble shot. Short, and another error again for the Warriors team.
Walang naglaro ng kuwan, purok dos, purok uno lang. Walang purok dos.
Litas, stop.
Wow.
Nothing but the bottom line. Release for Litas. Valiente.
Go, go, go.
To Katigal. From the backdoor area.
Bantay.